Introducing our new ebook, 50 Delicious and Nutritious Vegetarian Meals, that brings you a variety of flavorful and healthy vegetarian recipes for every occasion, from comforting soups and stews to savory casseroles, sandwiches, and salads. This ebook offers 50-plus easy-to-follow recipes that are perfect for vegetarians or anyone looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into their diet. Each recipe is carefully crafted with wholesome ingredients and a balanced nutritional profile, ensuring that you get the nourishment you need while savoring delicious flavors and textures. Whether you're looking for a quick weeknight dinner or a hearty weekend brunch, our ebook has you covered with a diverse selection of meals that will please your taste buds and nourish your body. In addition to detailed instructions, each recipe includes a list of ingredients and information about the country of origin, making it easy to plan your meals and track your intake. You'll be inspired to get creative in the kitchen and make these meals a regular part of your diet. Whether you're a seasoned vegetarian or just starting out, our 50-plus delicious and nutritious vegetarian meals ebook has something for everyone. Start exploring the world of plant-based cooking today and discover the joy of wholesome, flavorful, and satisfying meals. For more, download Delicious and Nutritious, 50-plus vegetarian meals for every occasion from around the world. Ebook link in description.